Okay, so the shed is okay, but the fence is down. There's a tree fell on my neighbor's fence. Look at that. Roots and everything. It was an old pine tree there. Big old tree. Walk over here. That's the empty lot behind my house there. Yeah, that's a big tree right there. Glad it don't look like anybody got hurt. I don't think it touched his house. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Boy, that's a big, that's amazing. It's a big tree. We'll walk around the house real quick. Okay, look at this. My little orange tree is still alive that I planted. It still says orange on it. I left that on there when I first planted it last week. I'm surprised he's okay, the little guy. Okay, windows are all taped up. Looks okay. That's where I'm digging up a garden for my wife. Right there, well, I was about to anyway. Just some debris in the yard. Go check out the front. These trees were already cut down right here. Front looks okay. Mailboxes are still over there across the street. Yeah, that one's okay.
A little late for that,
Yeah,
ain't it?
just looking at assessing it. You know, the damage. Did you remember that big pine tree that was behind the house? That fell over into the neighbor's yard and right through roots and all.
My God.
Yeah, it took out that fence over there.
Over there. My God, come here and look at this.
Yeah. And it's just debris out. My cars look okay.
That's yours, obviously.
Anyway, see you later. Talk to my neighbor.